Information about Acer davidii subsp grosserii. Acer davidii subsp grosserii is a subspecies of the snakebark maple tree, Acer davidii. It is native to China and can be found growing in forests and mountain valleys in the Sichuan, Hubei, and Shaanxi provinces. This subspecies is a deciduous tree that can grow up to 15 meters in height with a spread of 10 meters. Its leaves are green and shaped like a hand with 5 pointed lobes. The bark of the tree is striped with green and white, giving it the common name of snakebark maple. In autumn, the leaves turn yellow, orange, and red, providing a beautiful display of fall colors. Acer davidii subsp grosserii is known for its hardiness and adaptability, making it a popular ornamental tree in many parts of the world. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. This tree is often used in landscaping to provide shade, as a specimen tree, or as part of a mixed border. It can also be used for bonsai. In terms of conservation status, Acer davidii subsp grosserii is not considered endangered, but like many species of trees, it faces threats from deforestation and habitat loss due to human activities. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve this species and its habitat.